Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are fine at your home. Students, don't be so monotonous during this period of time. Try to explore yourself, try to explore your creativity so that you can enjoy the time and be always healthy and fit. Students, you know that we have already started to discuss the second chapter of civics, that is role of the government in health. So from this chapter, our today's topic is private health service. In previous videos, we have already discussed in detail about the public health service. So let us know today what is private health service. In public health service, we came to know that this service is totally run by the government. But for private health service, we can see that this is service that is paid out of pocket or privately or by a long-term care policy. So this service run by privately means any private owner run this service. Also, private care is not limited by insurance restrictions or requirements. It may include the service a patient or family want and may be long or short term. Also, healthcare center and facilities owned and operated by doctors privately. So this sector always run by the doctors privately, not by the government sector. Next. Now, which type of private health service is present in rural areas? Especially in rural areas, we can see in rural areas there are registered medical practitioners, RMPS. Now, who are they? Let us know. Registered medical practitioners means a person who has got registration in a state medical council after finishing the undergraduate medical course in a college recognized by state government and approved by Medical Council of India. RMP is permitted to practice medicine. So what does it mean? It means when a person complete his or her undergraduate course from any medical college. After that, the government give him or her permission to practice medicine. He or she is not a specialist doctor. They are medicinal doctor and they can practice their skill. They get the permission from the government. So this kind of person, sometimes they visit to the village areas. They visit to the village areas to practice their skill, but their patients have to visit to them by paying. They don't check up freely. They check up by the payment. Clear? Next, the private health service in rural areas. So now in rural areas, what kind of private service we can observe? Especially in rural areas, we can see the private health service in nursing home. And also other facilities are present, like in urban areas, there are large number of doctors you can see in nursing home, private clinics or laboratories, this way. Next, facilities such as some X-ray room that we can get in the nursing home, ultrasound, etc., and the private medical shops that are locally available within our area. So these kind of things we can see in the urban areas as a private health service. Clear? So again I am telling, in urban areas we can see the private health service, especially in the nursing home, with the facilities of big laboratories, good number of doctors, X-ray room, medical shops, etc. And in rural areas, we can see through RMPS, that means registered medical practitioners. Clear? Now let us know some positive side of private health service. First of all, here we can get personalized care, as we are paying to get the best quality of treatment. That's why here we can get some personalized care. Private healthcare service allow us to obtain the personalized care not only to us, even to our loved ones need for long-term well-being. A private care provider can offer support at a level that's right for our needs. So as much as care we need for our treatment, that we can get in the private health service. So here you can get in the picture that the patient is getting the care from the doctor, the personalized care. Next, we can get assistance to family member. Means when a patient got discharged from the nursing home, after returning home, the patient needs some more care. So the doctor here assists the family members that how to take care of the patient, which kind of medicine, which kind of care the patient need. The doctors always guide the family members. So here you see the line, private healthcare service reduce the burden placed on the other and offer the support they need to ensure that their loved ones receive the highest level of care. So after returning home, the patient, whatever treatment, whatever care they need, the patient is no more burden to the family member, because the doctor still can take care of the patient even after he or she is in his home. Next, direct communication with health professionals. So in private health service, the patient and his or her family can directly communicate with the doctor or the specialist. There they no need to wait for long period of time, just like the private health service. The communicating with doctors, nurses and other healthcare professionals can be difficult. Private healthcare providers alleviate this by creating a direct line of communicating between patient and their doctors. So in public health service, which things are very much difficult, but in private health service these are very much smooth way can be done. Next, some other positive side, we can see that quick access of treatment. So in private health service, we no need to wait for long time for our treatment. Very quick service they provide. Even their emergency service is also very fast. Choice of where you want to be treated, we can choose which doctor, which nursing home, where we want to be get treated. Next, choice of when you would like to be treated. So we can get treatment as per our free time, not as per the doctor's choice, because we are paying here. That's the reason, main reason. Whereas in public service, we have to take appointment as per the doctor's choice or as per the hospital give the time to us. Next, some other positive sides are: number one, opportunity to choose your consultant or specialist. So our doctor, we will choose that this doctor I want that he or she will give me the treatment. Next, comfortable, hygienic and home-like surrounding. See these pictures here, you can see that the patients and the family members are laughing with the doctors, because there they can get the home-like surrounding. Even inside the nursing home, it is very much neat and clean and hygienic. And also here we can get good quality of treatment. Even the machineries, the medicine, everything is of good quality, and the advanced facilities are also present within private health service. So students, I think that I can provide you a clear picture of some positive side of private health service. So your today's questions, I want to ask you that today the presence of private facilities can be seen all around. In fact, now there are large number of companies that run hospitals, and some are engaged in manufacturing and selling medicine. The medical shops are found in every corner of the country. So day by day we can see that the private facilities, the private health service is increasing. So can you tell me the reason that why the private service is increasing rather than the private service? So thank you. Today up to this much. Bye.